Hi, and welcome to Educating the Community Association Industry. Today, we are going to talk about water leaks and how to survive them. Let's get ready for those PIA leaks, pain in the association. Let's start by educating yourself, residents, and staff. Find out who owns what pipes, walls, community plumbing. Call your insurance company and ask them what the community insurance covers and what owners are responsible for. Check your governing documents. Then you educate your staff and owners. Where are the water shutoffs? Now, for a scenario, you manage a multi story building. It's 1 a.m. in the morning and you get a call saying the water is coming into their unit from the unit above. The first thing you're going to need is phone numbers. The plumber, the residents, your maintenance team, your psychiatrist. Just kidding on that one, but you get what I mean here. Make sure you can access this information remotely. An information sheet is good to have. This could have all your vendors, staff, and board members on one sheet. You should have remote access to the owners as well. A lot of associations require keys, and in this case, you can see why. Back to the scenario, you have the resident on the phone and they are telling you water is coming through the ceiling. Try to speak to them calmly and let them know you will take care of it. Get their information, address, phone numbers, and tell them that it might require them to contact their insurance company, even if the water is coming from another area. Then tell them you will keep them updated and remember to do that. In this case, the water's coming from above them, so we will have to get in touch with the residents above them. Getting the water turned off is a must, so know where your shutoffs are. If you are the manager or board member, don't assume the maintenance team will do it. If you are on the phone, you can direct someone on how to turn off the water if needed. Have it written on your info form, that way you have it right in front of you. It's a good idea to know this, even in your own home. Make sure you include inside and outside shutoffs. Okay, let's get this leak taken care of. Start making your calls. Maintenance team, vendors, and in this case, we would want to call the surrounding units. If at all possible, this is one time it should be possible, even at 1 a.m., go to the site and meet your team there. Take pictures and notes right away. Get the water and area cleaned up as soon as possible. Make sure that whoever is responsible for payment of the cleanup calls the vendors. Usually, the person who calls the vendors is the responsible party to pay. Hopefully, you know who is responsible ahead of time. A good amount of the time, everyone calls their insurance company, and then the insurance companies will settle the claims between each other. Let's review educating yourself and your team again. A good start is to fill out your info sheet, which should have your property info, vendors like plumbers, insurance agency, water cleanup team, board members, and general info on your shutoff areas. Contact your insurance agent and go over how these type of incidents are handled. Read your governing documents and consult your attorney if you are able. Resident education is key here. Have new residents sign a new resident form explaining the details of responsibility. Send out e-blast reminding residents to have insurance and know where their shutoff valves are. Newsletters are a great way to educate. Follow the process all the way through with the owner's insurance and maintenance team. Make sure you document and file it away in the resident management files because it could show up at a later date. Now go and have a nap because you made it through the leak and you're probably going to need it. Thanks for taking the time to educate yourself and good luck out there.